Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to change product URL in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac and then make sure you open myshopify.com. And then make sure you also logged in your account as well. Once you are already on the website, tap on the products on the left side of your screen. Once you are in the products section, go to collections this time, the first option under products. And then in here, you will see one of your products over here. Click on homepage. And then in here, scroll down. On search engine listing, click on edit. And then in here, you will see the URL handle. Now all you have to do is change it to this one. Whatever it is that would make it easier for you and your product consumers or clients or shoppers to find it when searching. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.